guys were fantastic. You were great mechanics. You were inspiring. You were energetic. You were as competitive as they come. Together, you produced 50 gorgeous bicycles. From the Boys and Girls Clubs of Nevada, let's welcome Steve up here with a nice big round of applause.
When we have a group like yours who comes here, who not only is interested in learning and getting experience from others, but also giving back to the local community, it's very, very important to us. Most of our kids come from very, very difficult households. When you look at a bicycle, which to them is an extreme luxury, as opposed to having to put food and clothing on their children, for 50 of our kids now to get brand new bikes, perfect timing in the year, start of school just started 2 weeks ago, so a lot of those kids now will have the opportunity to be able to bike to school as opposed to walking to school. It's just tremendous. On behalf of our 22,000 kids, we really want to thank you for giving back to our community.